over! Guess who's back? Back again. Guess who's back? Back again. It is me, our Dirty Berry, and I'm so sorry Berry that I'm never there for quite a while, but I was busy doing my first stint on stage as an actor in Oliver Mears' Laugh It Off, and I enjoyed it. Great cast, we can work with some fantastic people, and that is that, but mechanical say done, so I can return to you guys on YouTube. So let's get to the Dirty Berry social media countdown. Number 10, Gaza Slim down by the river. So Gaza Her Slim posted a video recently on Instagram with she and her family them down by the river. I'll be down by the river, yeah, waiting for the...
Come.
Hey Instagram, the sun is hot in my face, nigga. Watch me get my body well 2 gram niggas in my family say hey, hey.
And how could I forget that piece of last line at the end? Big up the twanging. Hang up.
Bye, hang up.
Number 9, Wasp Man. So this Mr. Pastor Kuchumpeng Rasta man was there to her do something, and this is what him choose for to do.
Video, put it anywhere you want to put it, father.
Anywhere I want to put it. Anywhere.
Yeah, the video, yeah, take it. Yeah, man, I see everybody in there, father. When I see it.
And now like in that man mouth lies the cure for chikungunya. Number 8, Gage and the Freaky Girls. Look on this. Them is our walking decomposers. Yes, we do biology become self. Martin Luther King did not our match for this. This Down in Your Throat song by Gage is getting quite popular till our dancehall queen Latisha did remix it.
I want to your boy, I'm open up your mouth, boy. Happy nights make me in your mouth, yeah. Have you boiling sun in your mouth, boy.
And then this girl off of Facebook, they do a little informative educational spin on it. I kinda like it.
Stop the foolishness in my ears, boy.
Number 7, Ikon, the high jumper. If you never know such time are hard, see evidence here. So this dancehall artist named Ikon threatened for jump off of Zip FM, RFM towers if ZJ Liquid no play him song.
Oh no, I'm stressed, I'm broke. I need something to smoke. It ain't no joke. Oh no.
Anyhow, I were ZJ Liquid, he most certainly would be. Number 6, Busfair Icon. So the Observer front page ruined everybody's spirit the other day. Really though, Busfair gone up again? How we are gonna sleep tonight? How the pitney them are gonna sleep tonight? But now I write about no me I hope some have some look like Icon. So me I gonna jump off a transport center and see if them can roll by the price them. Or me can just do like the brother here.
Surgical care, blood pressure checks, glucose checks, nebulizations, CT dressing and care.
So yeah, burritos, we're taking a quick break from the countdown, and I'm going to be joined by my first guest ever upon the Dirty Berry Show, Ayanna. Come in, Ayanna. Yeah, pick up yourself. Why are you there? Why are you here?
Firstly, thank you so much for having me. I'm very excited to be your inaugural guest.
Yeah, man, nice like that.
Yes, so I'm here to raise awareness for the fact that I'm going to be competing for Jamaica at the 42nd Central American and Caribbean Bodybuilding and Fitness Championships in Dutch St. Martin on October 2.
Okay. So why you need funds? Why you need funds so you can go to St. Martin?
Yes.
Yeah, why you need the funds so you can,
The Jamaica Amateur Bodybuilding and Fitness Association cannot afford to fund our national athletes going to compete for our country.
So in other words, them broke and pauperized. How can people contribute? Because that's supposed to be the most important thing right now.
Yes. So there are 4 different ways people can contribute. The first way is via my crowdfunding campaign, which can be found here. The total amount is $2,900 US, but if 2,900 people give $1, we can make it work. There we go. The second way is my first global bank savings account, for which the account number may be found here.
Yeah.
They can deposit anything, any amount in that branch. And then the third method is toss and roll. I am the brand ambassador for that salad bar.
Yeah, big amount.
And so there is a donation jar there. And then fourthly, for your fans who are in the US, because I know you have a serious fan base,
very much.
I have a Bank of America account, and people can email me at fitayanna@gmail.com as shown here for further information.
Alright, so let's check the description, and we wish you all the best. Hopefully next time you see me again, I shall be on my Tarzan Johnny Bravo body 3 songs
there we
all
go.
over the place.
So entering job for next year, straight.
Easy win.
Love
easy
it.
win. And then hopefully by the time we have some good news from St. Martin.
Precisely, a medal to show in honor of our country.
Alright, take care, Ayanna.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, hopefully I see you next time.
Alright, love you. Thank you.
Peace
Cheers.
out.
Bye bye.
Number 5, Team No Sleep. So this brother on a bicycle in a bright hot sun, hot. and no say sleep a box him cross him iris. That is just trouble waiting for happen. That is like me, I cook for people and expect them to live.
When I sleep in the sun at broad day.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
Yes, smoke. Dog, oh dear. Yes, smoke.
The brothers are shame him get knocked off of the bicycle and bust on Mr. Vegas take with himself. Number 4, dancehall kickings. People, I do not hardly know what was going on, but them 3 chicken-pen girls here did do some careless dash out whining when this sort of thing start to happen. Then Miss Stickers, 6:30 our way in the mix like the shop floor. To Gage made the mistake and the boom flick in the girl back. Tikisha whop it back with a batty jar split in the girl head back. Lord, you are my shepherd. Max, come on! Who did I do that? Tikisha set on a cockroach whop step kick. Move, yeah,
Going down.
Number 3, schoolboy fights. I do not support violence, but the one here make me happy laugh.
Don't flow him.
So the schoolers I get a boots up from 1 and 2 and friend them. So the other brother get a kick and run out, like say him gonna go come back with some 12 years of slave type of revenge. So normally this at the point where the person run away and come back with them bigger bad bucketive.
One day they might come with a big stone, don't move. I want really a one.
You see the mortal combat crouching tiger, hidden dragon, Iron Man fly kick there? Manana, I'm feeling for the youth back done for right about now. Number 2, cowball in picnic. So this man had trouble the kid and had threatened to beat him because apparently he never followed some instructions.
Give me a last chance.
What?
A last chance.
So look what time you see Uncle, how me gonna come?
Me dey come and me not trouble you.
Yo, you know long me want to, you know how I'm okay now?
No! Murder!
You know I'm okay now?
The little boy a bar and not 1 guy water. Yeah, see. If this was America, the youth would get viral and from big celebrity or rich man Ellen. But a recession winner, so I guess you have to just settle for the Dirty Berry show.
Yo, I last time I come out from the veranda now.
Please, my friend, you're my cousin, I'm not afraid of you again. Anytime I come, I come here, I do things here.
And number 1 goes to the Jamaican Ice Bucket Challenges! Woo! Yeah, thank you. So social media was our head hostage by the Ice Bucket Challenge and everybody, everybody did a one. The celebrities, the regular people, and then there was me. But as you know, with every challenge, there are the ones that will definitely stand out. Lisa or Hannah, she the fear what in her office.
Oh my god!
But this year, one took the cake.
Hello, Acct, this is me. Right now, at the Ice Bucket Challenge, and we get dominated by Ren.
It is clear, say Hooked and Phonics did big like him when he like a picnic.
So here right now, I dominate some people right now. You see, I dominate Chip, Roman, Boba, Kai. You see me? Them people let me dominate. Right?
You mean to tell me say not one person could have correct him? No man, them some now wickedness. The cameraman, now the youth run back. Now no?
Jesus! Yo, no, man.
Bill yourself, Mr. Dominate. Mega nominate if you get a dictionary and a thesaurus. Well, that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching another Dutchberry social media countdown. I am glad to be back and make sure you like, you comment and you share this video. Big up Oliver Mayer and the Laugh It Off crew.